Alright, so welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Marmaris and the Bazaar. Just gonna have a look, see what deals we can get. Might try buy it iron off to go, he says. See what deals we can get. So we've got the silver. Very cool rings. Look at that. All the extra large. It's got so many extra large.
I have 7XL.
7XL.
Yes.
How much are the football tops in here?
English leader.
Yeah, you can just share.
£10.
£10 each, yeah? Everyone's
Any
£10.
Any kid side, adult side.
You have Southampton?
Sorry?
Southampton?
Never
Any
find.
you can get them in England.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah?
The front I have.
Ah, but that's my
Or
team.
maybe t-shirt for you.
I don't need right now, but thank you. What discount can you give? What discount can you give?
Like football.
No, not for anything. So say someone buy, how much can you give for discount?
Like what do you want?
But how much can you give for discount?
I
20?
have t-shirt, everything. I give it £10.
Good, you can give for 20% discount?
Hey, you buy more, I give a discount.
Okay. Alright, thank you, yeah? So yeah, the more you buy, the more discount they're going to give you. Spring is going down that way. So let's walk a different way to let's go down this way. So Turkish lights, everything like that. Silver gold on the right. Check this out, Turkish lights. Banana with cream. Orange with nuts. It looks red. Kids' clothes. Stevie G shop. Or the knick-knack shop there as well. Sultan. Oh yeah, the cross tops. Check the little kids' jackets as well. Let's go up here. So you get your trainers and Stevie G's. Stevie G got two shops right next to each other. Handbags. Yeah, when you come to the bazaars, what do you buy? I've failed to buy anything since I've been here, but I am going to pick up some stuff this time. So we'll see what I get, what discounts I can get. So yeah, I think I went into this one last time, and I had full inside of that shop. I think I went into this one up here as well. So yeah, check the other Bazaar videos out for that. Yeah, there's this one. I went into this one last time. Hello, brother. You okay? Yeah, this is the one I went into because it's cheaper than shoplifting, as it says. So yeah. Little 2-pack top as well. All the t-shirts are like £5, so very reasonable. Better than going actually to Primark, I say, because you've got an actual design with your top rather than it just being plain white, black. So yeah, there's all your Adidas tops here. Red Bull. There's Del Boy Centre. So you've got the Del Boy on the main street and you've got it here as well. You've got both.
You guys have all the insights?
Thank you. I'll go on, I'll show you, yeah. Go on.
Thank you very much.
That's all right. I'll show you the tops, you can see them. Best quality shirts, these ones, all 15. They feel nice. Got the old Louis Vuitton. All the shirts are 15, that's not bad. That top, you've got your jackets up there. All of these are £5, yeah? All these £5?
It's not £5, 3 for 25.
3 for 25. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Can we get it?
You okay?
He told me.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you got the Zero. Look at these ones. Very nice. Very thick. I guess it's not really a t-shirt, it's that thick. Off-white. Very nice. All come with shorts as well. And then you got your jeans. Everything's top quality out here. Really good quality. All your football tops.
Yes.
You've got your Nikes, everything else. So we've got two shops, one here, one on the main street.
Hello, boss.
Hello, you okay? I'm good, thank you. So yeah, you got two shops. I had to speak out because they got the music playing quite loud. But yeah, that's Dowboy, and that one's in the Bazaar. So yeah, they have big sizes as well if you need it. And you got Dad Boy on the other side. Plenty of big tops. Actually lost Sabrina. She's gone off doing her own video. But we know where we need to be. Let's keep going in and out, rather than straight. So, gold diamond shop. There we go, it's the men's stuff there. Not really into any of them. Okay. £5 tops there. So the shops back there, when he was doing them 3, 4, 20, you can get 4 for that price. I've seen them 5 each. The other ones didn't have a price, and I like the shops where they have the prices because then you know what the prices are. We've been into this one. You've seen a video on that. We're gonna keep going down now. So yeah, no hassle. Get what you need.
Juice.
£5, 300 lira, £5. But that's £6. 300 lira, £6. But they're charging you £5. So sometimes, you know, people go on about changing your money. 300 lira, that's £6. But if you give them £5, as an English £5, they accept it, and it's just a £5. So if you've seen this shop as well, we've been in this one. You've seen inside here. Not in that side though. Actually, I don't think we have seen inside that shop. It looks quite nice and fancy. Hello. My style there. Tobacco shop at the front. Let's keep moving now. Nice orange bags here. Nice furry coat as well. Not really my style. Not really my style. Turkish delight, got these sponges, coffee. And that's where you make your little coffee inside that. So these are all £5. But like I said, I've seen better quality elsewhere. Got the handbags. 3 for a tenner on the little bags. Yeah, cigarette shops. I don't know if it's cheaper to buy from these shops or it's cheaper to get from the airport, but when we was in Rhodes, we picked up some backy there. Wasn't bad price. We're not going to go down that one. We're going to keep going. All the boys are out in there. Hello. Get your bags inside that one and the belts, everything actually. Bags and belts, all your leathers. So where I am, I'm in the red zone at the moment. So guys, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like and share. What I'm going to do, I'm going to catch you on the next one. Should be straight after this.